Hey guys, I got it here, BattlBox, another month went by. So let's see what we got. This is Survival and Outdoors Adventure Delivered. I actually unsubscribed from Amazon and subscribe on their website because I'm saving about like $20 if I subscribe on their website. It's just cheaper because there's no fees. So this is 100 night mission. Before we open it up, let's just see what's inside here. Hot snot, easy to use. What is this? Fire lube in tube. Okay, so lubricant. Oh, nice. I like that one. Utility rope, and this test 70 feet, easy to pull it out, and it's tested, I think, like 111 pounds. That is nice. Oh, another one. Amazing. This bottle boxes and outdoor subscription boxes getting so good. Look at that. We got it here. Benta 2004K wood handle. Yeah, this is nice. Three knives are really good. So it's like CVV parent company, I guess. But these ones are really expensive. Three knives are super nice. Okay, let's see what we got. Everyday carry, beautiful wood knife, thumb stud. There's a designer logo on. Ooh, love it. It is not assisted, it's just snappy little knife, that's for sure. I love it so much. Okay, one more time. Smooth wood handle. I love their logo. It is benter. It is so smooth, I could probably open it with this finger. It is not assisted like a spider claw flipper right here. Even with this finger, it's super easy. Left-handed or right-handed. Love that knife, absolutely. Wow. Yeah. The fact that they have upgraded their knives makes me so happy. I like it a lot. What is this? Wildland removal wipes. Poison oak and ivy. Wow, that is so cool. I do need that so much. I'm gonna keep it sealed because where I live in North Carolina, we have both poison oak and all that stuff, and therapy wise skins as soon as possible after exposure to all that stuff. Poison oak and ivy. I just see all over my land lots of that stuff. Look at that. That's straight up Amazon sticker on it. So I'm gonna scan everything to see how much it is. What? We got two knives. Is that a knife? That's insane. Wow, I'm so happy right now. Look, it's so like little but stubby. I love it. Okay, there's a knife sharpener. There's a Tanta blade, D2 steel. Another like a boot. Yeah, it's kind of like a neck knife or boot knife, a belt knife. Comes with all these wrenches, fire starter, fire striker, beautiful, and a chain for to make it a neck knife. Wow, that is awesome. I really like knives, so maybe I really enjoy it extra, the BattlBox. But this is awesome. They should do more knives. Knives is always easy to sell and stuff. Okay, and what is this? Use your Kachula anywhere. This is a Kachula. Okay, Kachula. Before I open it, let's figure it out what it is. Kachula. Upside down. They used to show the value of each item. They don't do that anymore. So Kachula is the blanket with hood poncho. So just a hooded punch a blanket. That's cool. Okay, there's a CVV knife. We got everything. There's a second knife. Beautiful. Animal flashcards. I didn't get the flashcards. Oh, there it is. They hide it in there. Tracking animals flashcards. That is cool. Will teach us how to track animals. I'll take any kind of information anytime. So that's it. So let's scan everything on Amazon. I paid $296 after shipping and taxes. There is my value, how much I paid on their website. Okay, what I'll do is go onto Amazon and just press this picture or scan it right here. See what they sell for this blanket. Sometimes it's scanned, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll go on eBay then. And it doesn't have it. So if it doesn't scan, what we can do is go like this and take a picture of it instead. Could be a really new product. Yeah, they just don't have it. Kachula blanket. Really curious how much they said this blanket worth. But what about V-knife? Man, today nothing wants to scan. There it is. $154. So I paid $190. That knife on Amazon right away, $154. That is awesome. And then we got right here a second knife. I know there's somewhere a little sticker that should come up. There it is. That's like straight up from Amazon. $64. There you go. There's my $215 right away. $220. So on top of it, that blanket, I would say easily 25 bucks. And these wipes and this grease. So we got it way over $230. What about this one? This one is also on Amazon. That's a good utility, easy remove rope. What is happening? Sometimes they got it on. So taking picture will work. So $20 another one. Okay, after a little bit of digging online, I did find it $89 just for the blanket too. That is incredible. And the Kachula is well-known brand. They have their own website and all of the blankets $80. So $80, $150. How much was that one? $62. Grease. Wow, awesome deal for $200. We over 300 bucks out there easily. I love these things. I get surprised and I get a really good deal on all of these things. So that is a lot of fun.